In this video, I'll be showing you the exact method I have used to create multiple style ads for brands. Now, if you follow the practical steps from this video from the beginning to the end, you will no longer need to pay any UGC creator to model your product anymore. Now, the first thing you need to do is to get your model and your product. You get a picture of your product and the picture of the model you want to use. Now, the model you use for your product depends on the product type. There are some products that are masculine and some that are feminine, so you have to choose the gender of your model. It is very easy to get a picture of your model. Just learn how to be descriptive. Now go to any AI chat model. You can use ChatGPT and ask it, describe how you want your character to look. Now this gives you a very big room to be flexible because you can actually add any features to what you want your character to look like. Now after getting the image of your character, that's your model, you take the product picture and that of your model and tell it to combine it into one frame. Now the reason why you are combining it is so that when you give it to Google View later, it does not flop. Give it the prompt to put it in a particular scene that you want it to be. So let's say you want your model to be in a beach setting. You are going to take the picture of your model and that of your product and tell the AI to merge them together and put them in a beach setting. After getting your image, your model and your product in one frame, you run over to your browser and type labs.google.com. This is where we can access Google View 3.1 model. Now when you get to the home page, click on new project and then it will take you to the canvas where you have to edit. You will have to choose your style, your video's orientation. Is it portrait? Is it landscape? For this we are using it for reels, so we are doing portraits. Then you also choose the model. Do you want it to be View 3.1 quality? Do you want to be light? Do you want it to... All the models work really well, but I think the one for quality use more credits. So if you have a lot of credits in your Google account, you can use that. But if you use fast, it gives you a very good result as well. I try not to use the 2x generation, use just the 1x so that it gives you one generation at a time as a way to conserve your credits. After setting in your video frames, the next thing you get to do is to put in your image. Now I keep on preaching image to video generation instead of text to video generation. We could have just added the character description to the video prompt and allow Google View to do all the work. But if you want to get something of real quality, especially when your product is branded, you should get your image ready, so that you know that the only thing Google View is doing is just to animate it and make it talk. It will be very easy. You get better results doing that. Now after setting up your video format, the next thing is to upload your image that you've already gotten. Upload your image and then put in your prompt. You add your image as an ingredient to your prompt. Don't forget this step. After uploading it, make sure you add it to the canvas where your prompt is as an ingredient. That's you telling it stick to this particular frame. This is what I want you to animate, right? If you want the prompt we use for this particular video, you can comment below. I will send it to you directly, or you can send me an email, then I will send it back to you. So after getting that, you just wait for it to generate. This step is so easy. If you are doing a talking head video, the only thing you need to do is to get the model and the setting and then just add your prompt and you're good to go. In my opinion, Google View 3.1 is very good when it comes to natural pacing of the human voice. So if you're doing talking head videos as well, you can use this. But if you are doing talking head videos that are longer than 8 seconds, you should use Google Omni, the new Omni AI, because it allows you to be consistent in terms of your voice. It allows you to edit inside the same canvas. So I would advise you use Google Omni for talking head videos. Then when it comes to product and just something you need to generate at one go, use Google 3.1. If you try this method of creating UGC ad, comment below and tell me how your experience was like. Was it as smooth as mine? And if you have a brand that you don't really think you can be creating these videos from time to time, or you lack creative ideas in terms of the scenes and how you want to put your product in front of people, you can email me with this address and then we'll talk about that. If you benefited from this video, subscribe so that whenever I post another AI tool that I found helpful, you get to know about it. But for now, you can stick with this playlist as I update it from time to time with AI tools that I have just found out.